Welcome back. Flying Squad is likely to submit report on alleged distribution of goodies by politicians during Panji municipality poll by Saturday afternoon. Manohar Parrikar had demanded suo motu action against Babush's panel for allegedly distributing money and goods during campaign. Meanwhile, on Friday, training scheduled for elections officers on EVMs was postponed at the last moment, creating confusion in the minds of some officers. Almost 1 week back, Collector's Office had constituted Flying Squad to look into various complaints of money and muscle power used during election. Opposition leader Manohar Parrikar had alleged that Babush's panel is distributing money and goods to the Panji election campaign. The squad is likely to give its report on Saturday. Meanwhile, training session for government officers on electronic voting machines that was scheduled on Friday was postponed at the last minute. Training sessions was to be held at Bal Bhavan. Many government employees who are deputed for election work were upset as they were not informed in advance about postponement of training session. For almost 1 hour, there was complete chaos at the Bal Bhavan.
इलेक्शन ड्युटी गेल्लो हा तेन्ना एक ऑफिसान येयल्या ही पयलीची आहा ती ऑर्डर कॅन्सल म्हणून कांय हेजेर दिल्लें ना हे ऑर्डरी प्रमाणे हांव हांगासर येयल्लो आहा तेन्ना हे ऑर्डरी प्रमाणे येयला ते हेजेर कॅन्सल बीन कांय अशें दिल्लें ना आयज 4 आनी 5 एका 10:30 ट्रेनिंग आसलेली.
But sources from collector's office say they have postponed the training session to 8th March. Sources also say there was shortage of trainers for the session and concerned officers were told in advance about the postponement. A senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandulkar, with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar. It was a night of murder and theft for Madgaon on Thursday. A security guard of Damodar Higher Secondary was found murdered in the school campus. On the other side, a flat was also robbed at Komba, Madgaon on the same night. Owner claimed that gold worth 1,50,000 rupees was robbed.
Ganpati Joshi, age 46, a security guard of Damodar High Secondary, was found murdered in the college campus. Joshi is a native of Nepal and was residing in Nesai in Madgaon. The guard had severe head injuries, as if he was hit with some hard object. It also came to notice that 10,000 rupees from office was missing along with a laptop. Police have registered a case of murder and theft against the unknown.
मर्डर केस रजिस्टर केला रॉबरी विथ मर्डर म्हणटा कित्याक ऑफिसांच्यान हेड मिस्ट्रेसीच्या डॉरांच्या 10,000 ना जाल्या अशी कंप्लेन आसा आनी थंयचो लॅपटॉप नाशिल्लो तो भायर मागीर सायडीक बिल्डिंगेच्या थंय कन्स्ट्रक्शन सायडी कडेन मेळ्ळो तशेंच तांचो LCD प्रोजेक्ट ज्या जाग्यार आशिल्लो थंयच्यान तांणी हालोवन दुसरे कडेन दवरलेलो तर सद्या 10,000 कॅश मिसींग आसा.
A robbery took place in Ramchandra Karni's flat at Komba, Madgaon on Thursday night. Karni claims that gold worth 1,50,000 rupees was robbed. He also claims that 3,500 rupees were also robbed.
पैशांचे वॉलेट आशिल्ले भायरच ते वॉलेट जाग्यार आशिल्ले पण वॉलेटांतले पयशे नाशिल्ले. कितले कॅश आशिल्ले? 3,500 रुपये व्हेले. भांगर कितले व्हेला? भांगर भायलेली गोंयांतली मंगळसूत्र एक मणी एक तागेलो हार आनी बारीक बारीक कितें व्हेला ताकाय खबर ना. कितले कॉस्ट इमिटेशन कितें आशिल्लें तें दवरलें ताणें तें व्हेलें ना ताका पारख आशिल्ली भांगराची. टोटल कॉस्ट कितले साधारण 1.5 लाख तरी आसतली.
Our reporter from Madgaon, Ramesh Naik Raut and Sameer Bhatt.
Waterlogging, garbage and retaining walls are some of the problems faced by the residents of Ward number 19. Heritage houses are an attraction in this ward. Both BJP-backed candidate and Babush-backed candidate claim that they are in the poll on residents' demand. Watch the special report of corporation election.
This year, Ward number 19 is reserved for women. In this ward, 4 candidates are in fray. The ward consists of Mara, Portash and part of Bhatle area. The ward has around 880 voters, out of which 439 are males and 441 are females. The residents are mainly facing a problem of waterlogging and garbage disposal.
एकूणच व्हडा मेजर प्रॉब्लेम म्हणटा सांगपाचें म्हटल्यार पयलीं म्हटल्यार डोंगर वयल्यार सगळो कोसळटा ते रिटर्निंग वॉल्स पयलीं कंपल्सरी सारके मेन त्यो आमकां कंपल्सरी जाय. एक कंप्लेंट ती जाली भिंती जाल्या उपरांत आमकां ड्रेनेज म्हणटा ते पावसाचे येता. फाल्यां मनसून पावलो गोंयांत सारके घरांनी सारकें उदक येता. सारकें राती बसोन काडचें पडटा. उदक भायर सरपाक येना कारण ते मेन चॅनल आहा ते ब्लॉक जाल्ले आहा. ती क्लीन जावंक ना. ती मेन एक जावंक जाय. आनी वयता थंय कचरो डंप जालो, गार्बेज वयता थंय डंप जाला. ती आमचे पिकअप गार्बेज कांय ना रेगुलर.
The ward is likely to witness a close contest between BJP-backed Panji first candidate and wife of sitting candidate Viana da Cruz and Babush-backed panel for Progressive Panji's candidate Maria Rita Pereira Fernandes.
See, for the last 5 years, they didn't do anything for my ward. That is the reason I'm contesting, so that I can start with the first is the garbage problem, which is next to the club. Most of everything is dumped there without the dustbin. And the second thing is the drainage. The drainage are made, but it's not yet covered up.
Now, plans for the ward, first thing is 100% sewerages to be provided, then drainages to be completed, and retaining walls up till the Altin Hillock. And my husband has newly constructed a road, bypass road, at Martires house. So for that some beautification to be done, like providing some sofas, electricity to be beautification of that road.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetty with video journalist Sushant Pearl for Prudent Media.
Young minds are always inquisitive. It is important to develop a sense of creative thinking in these budding minds. And with this in mind, a unique science competition called Chota Scientist was held at Kala Academy on Thursday. The competition was organized by Shiroda High Secondary School along with NRB Kaleidoscope. Around 550 students from 55 schools participated in the event. 7 different competitions like essay writing, working models, quiz, drawing and entertainment were held during the day-long event.
आम्ही एक कला अकॅडमी आज प्रोग्राम केलो. वेगळे वेगळे आमचे लोकेशनां आमचे आज प्रोग्राम आशिल्लो. आमी आर्ट गॅलरी घेतली. हांगा ओपन लॉबीन आमचे वर्किंग मॉडल जाले. आर्ट गॅलरी वर्किंग मॉडल हांगा आमचे पोस्टर ड्रॉइंग जाले. सो आज असो एनवायरमेंट असो सारको फूल एंटायर सायन्साचो आशिल्लो. सो आज व्हडले पैकी एक सायन्स कॉम्पिटिशन जालो. केन्ना अशें गोंयांत जावं ना. तो आमची कंपनी NRB कलेडोस्कोप आनी शिरोडा हाय सेकंडरी एसोसिएशनाची मेळून आमी छोटा सायंटिस्ट ग्रुप आमी ऑर्गनायज केलो.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.